Hey guys, so today I am putting together a quick meal with leftovers. So normally I, for the most part, plan out my meals. This time I am just gonna use whatever leftovers I can find in the fridge. So I have brown rice, black beans, I have barbecue sauce that can be found in my MM Community Cookbook. It's delicious. I'm gonna cook some tofu in it, and then I have some frozen corn as well. Right, I got all my ingredients out. I already pressed and drained my tofu the last time, so I just chopped it up and then I will cook it in the barbecue sauce and put the whole bowl together as a nice, quick, and healthy meal. Started cooking my tofu in a little bit of water. I usually try to avoid cooking with oil. Added some salt and pepper, and then now the barbecue sauce. And there you have it, folks. A quick and delicious plant-based meal. Yum!